Are you tired of seeing yellow, hard, and ugly tartar on your teeth? Do you want to get rid of it naturally and prevent it from coming back? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. Tartar is a nasty buildup of bacteria, fungus, and acid that forms on your teeth and gums. It can cause bad breath, gum disease, tooth decay, and even tooth loss. Tartar is not only unsightly, but also unhealthy. But don't worry, you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive dental treatments or harsh chemicals to remove tartar. You can make your own anti-tartar toothpaste at home with simple and natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and use this amazing homemade toothpaste that will help you get rid of tartar and plaque on teeth at home. This toothpaste is easy to make, effective, and safe for your teeth and gums. All you need are 4 ingredients: clove oil, hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and raw honey. These ingredients have powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that can break down and dissolve tartar, neutralize acid, and protect your teeth and gums from infection. Here's how to make and use this homemade toothpaste. In a small container, add 3 drops of clove oil. You can also use peppermint oil, cinnamon oil, or turmeric powder instead of clove oil. These oils and spices have a pleasant flavor and aroma, and they also help to freshen your breath and reduce inflammation. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that can whiten your teeth and kill bacteria and fungus. Your body also produces hydrogen peroxide to fight off infections, so you're not giving it something foreign or harmful. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can gently scrub away tartar and plaque without damaging your enamel. Baking soda also balances the pH of your mouth and neutralizes acid that can erode your teeth and cause cavities. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey or manuka honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that can enhance the taste of your toothpaste and make it more enjoyable to use. Honey also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can prevent and heal gum disease. Make sure to use raw or manuka honey, as processed honey may lose its beneficial effects. Mix all the ingredients well until you get a smooth paste. You can add more or less water to adjust the consistency of your toothpaste. You can also store your toothpaste in an airtight container and keep it in a cool and dry place for up to a week. To use your homemade toothpaste, brush your teeth with a soft bristled toothbrush twice a day, preferably in the morning and before bed. Apply a small amount of the toothpaste on your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth and gums for about 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth with water and spit out the toothpaste. You can also floss your teeth to remove any food particles that may be stuck between your teeth. Repeat this process daily until you see the tartar and plaque disappear from your teeth. You can also use this toothpaste as a preventive measure to keep your teeth and gums healthy and clean. As a bonus tip, you can also take vitamin K2 supplements to help prevent tartar formation. Vitamin K2 is a nutrient that helps direct calcium to your bones and teeth, and away from your soft tissues. Some studies have shown that vitamin K, the 2nd of May, inhibit tartar formation and improve oral health. However, the evidence is not conclusive, so you may want to consult your doctor before taking vitamin K2 supplements. That's it. You have just learned how to make and use a homemade toothpaste that can help you remove tartar and plaque on teeth at home. This toothpaste is cheap, natural, and effective, and it can give you a beautiful smile and a healthy mouth. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.